Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the machine meets Chrome OS Flex requirements and backing up anything important, because installation erases the drive. Next, use your working computer to download the Chrome Recovery utility from the Chrome Web Store and the Chrome OS Flex image. The utility builds a bootable USB for you. Make sure the USB is at least 8 GB and empty. Once done, create the installer with the utility and label the drive so you can identify it when booting the target device. Now you'll boot the target device from the USB installer. Reboot and enter the boot menu or UEFI, often F12, ESC, F2, or Dell, and select the USB. If Secure Boot blocks booting, disable it in UEFI. Chrome OS Flex supports many devices, but UEFI settings can interfere. Boot into try mode first to verify Wi-Fi, keyboard, and display. When everything works, click Install to write Chrome OS Flex to the internal drive. This replaces the existing OS and takes several minutes. After installation, go through the first run setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account, and adjust preferences like updates and privacy. Restore your files from the backup and add extensions or Linux apps if required. If the system won't boot, reboot into UEFI to confirm the boot order and secure boot state, or recreate the USB installer on another stick. One key tip: testing in try mode before installing reduces surprises and helps identify driver or network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.